Vegas may be known for its lights, but a 20-minute drive outside the city you will find a rolling landscape of sand dunes. The Nellis Dunes may not be tall, but they're definitely a place to have some fun. Either on 2 feet, 4 feet, or 4 wheels, the shifting sands of the dunes provide an ever-changing landscape to explore. When not ripping up the sand, take a moment to take in the sights. Mountains, cities, or just the shifting sands itself. Nothing compares to the Nellis Dunes. The Nellis Dunes are just one of over 1,000 locations that you can find on KnowNowGoLater.com.